Hi, it's Mari-Lyn Harris here, and I'm here to share a little bit about Kindness Matters. As you know, I've been many years in the people business of kindness, and so now I'm launching a new podcast called Kindness Matters. And why does kindness matter? Because we need to keep shining our light, being patient with people, even if they're like beyond what we want to put up with. But the idea is of kindness matters is that I want, if you have experienced the gift of kindness, I would like you the opportunity for you to share it on my show. So I'll leave you the link in the video page where you can book a call, a session with me. It's about 30 minutes, maybe 20, 30 minutes. And you can just, let's talk about your gift of kindness and what was it so special that you want to share it? And the more stories we share, I think there's more kindness because people kind of right now are, I know certainly I am sometimes, it's like, what's going on? And so I just have to remind myself that I just surrender because I know kindness matters, but what can I do to make it better for myself? And so I think it's important that we share our stories and how we do it and why kindness matters for you. So that's the idea of the podcast show. And so I hope that you join us. And so the link to book a call will be in the on the page. And I look forward to chatting with you soon and having a great conversation. So thanks very much for your time. And remember, just be kind to yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stop. How do you stop the cord? Oh, I don't think I recorded. Yeah, I am recording it. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Record. I'm gonna have to redo this. It's recording.